Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel Auto Empty. So today I'm up with a new video with you all again, sharing about 2023 Chevrolet Camaro. So, given that the outdated Camaro isn't selling well right now, it's unlikely that it will receive any of its GM's prize development funds. The current Camaro is most likely to last until 2026, until when it will have a completed decade of manufacturing. Even if it's just to appease the fans, a special edition is required. After that, what happens? The Camaro nameplates carries a lot of weight, and we know that GM has already developed three electric motors. The Ultimate drive package, which will be featured on the all-new EV Hummer, is the result of their combined efforts. And there you have it, the first hint. GM will keep its well-known brands, but they will be electrified. If a next-generation Camaro is produced, it will be electric. Is this necessarily a negative thing, given how quickly electric motors can produce 1,000 horsepower? After all, the fifth generation Z28 was only available for the 2014 and the 2015 model years, and it was a fitting end to the Camaro's nearly decade-long absence. We wouldn't be surprised if these improvements were introduced for 2023 and stayed until the sixth generation Camaro was retired. We previously reported that the sports car's final year on the market will be 2024, after which it will be replaced with an electric performance sedan of all the things. Even though the idea of a new ultra-hardcore Camaro Z28 will tug at our hairstrings, we can only dream of what a Blackwing specifications Camaro ZL1 could do. Maybe then the new Ford GT500 will have something to do with it, eagerly awaiting that time. Seriously worrying about it? These days it seems the Chevrolet Camaro, at least as we know, it's long for this world. Rumors of the muscle car demise have been swirling for several years now, brought up on a combination of lagging sales that is partly induced by an ill-fated midlife design refresh that was eventually walked back, and the automotive world's massive push towards electrification, with SUVs and trucks dominating the market today and EVs set to dominate tomorrow. There's not much enthusiasm from a business perspective to invest in a gas-guzzling, low-riding two-door car. Still, the existing sixth generation Camaro remains a delight to its drive, especially in its granularly V8 powered forms. And according to a new rumor, some of those 8-cylinder powerhouse might take one more upgraded in the cards before they are relegated to the history books. Okay, to cut you off before you get started complaining, yes, the Camaro SS and LT1 do indeed already pack a 6.2-liter V8 sourced from the Corvette. That engine, for the record, is known internally at GM and by fanboys by the code name LT1. Perhaps more importantly, from a corporate perspective, the LT2 also produces a fewer emissions than the LT1. Thank you guys for listening up my video. I hope this video was very helpful for you guys. Guys, do not forget to share, subscribe and like my channel. Thank you and have a great day ahead.